Hi guys, here is raining time and no more sunny time. I always be. If you know, I can say if you happy of your life, you always stay younger and always very fresh look. If you have a lot of thinking, a lot of trouble of your life, you look very past older because you know everything you take it easy in life. Anyway, whatever come in life, we are belong for that situation. Problem, happiness is everything. We need to think a lot to make your dream happen. You work hard for that. You really show that I can make it. I don't like to stay the same of my life. You know, in my also situation on my story, I'm very small time. The time I am very small, I always think I don't follow my family life. Whatever happened of my life, I trying hard to change of my life. I go where I like and I have nothing to think anything what's going on tomorrow. I only look forward what happened in the situation. But I really realize you can only success in life if you really want to do everything, if you have a dream. But you know, if you have no dream, nothing happen. You will always stay the same of your life, of your family, have nothing. You must know also in your future, because if you are really poor and then your family also poor, cannot help you also. That's why I really think of my life. I look before, I go up in the very high mountain. Also, I go to sit in the tree and then I think one day I fly away. And I really did it. Everything I done in my life, everything what I dream is happening. All, but you all together with praying to God, trust God, you always save. Everything what you do, you're always saved. That's why for me, I always pray every day in my life. And also my dream, all very successful God. With God, happiness is all.